A woman is going viral after refusing her DoorDash order because of what she saw in the delivery photo. I'm saying the delivery person like, yo, I'm about to leave right now. They're making your drink real quick. Put a thumb on the receipt. Oh, hell no, I'm good. You can have it. DoorDash driver sent the food almost ready, pick and accidentally canceled my appetite to listen. I get it. Is this a safe space? Is this a safe space? I get it. Listen, I know this is a gig economy and things are tough right now, but respectfully, get your finger off my receipt. That finger looked like it fell in the swamp and landed on your body parts with the ooze, and now you be bopping rock steady. That finger looked like you went through World War III already. That finger looked like you had some hardships in the Dust Bowl that I don't know nothing about, and I want you to move away from my tacos respectfully. That finger telling me I don't know where you live at night. That finger tells me you are at least 107, and you should not be driving after 4 p.m. That finger tells me I need to just eat what I got at home. There's spaghetti in there. Cancel that order. Cancel that order.